In this video, I'll be showing you how to install shaders on Minecraft PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to have to download something called Optifine. So just go onto your browser, search up Optifine. You're going to come up with this right here. It's basically something that optimizes your game, which allows you to download these graphic mods. So then just go to the top and click on downloads, go over to the latest one, and in my instance it's 1.21.8, and then all you have to do is press the download button here. It's gonna come up with this little ad. Just wait a few seconds for it to finish and then press skip at the top right. Then it's gonna come up with this final page. Press download and it's gonna start downloading Optifine. You're gonna find it on your desktop or your downloads, wherever you saved it basically, and all you want to do is run it. Then once you're opening it, just press install, and there we go. Optifine is successfully installed. So once Optifine is downloaded and installed, we want to actually download the shaders, and for this we're going to use Silder's shaders. If you prefer another website, you can choose that too. Then once you're here, you're just going to click on over at the downloads section. It's going to show a bunch of different shaders. We're going to download Extreme with volumetric lighting. Press download over here, and then just wait a few more seconds again. Once you've pressed skip, it's going to take you to this page right here. Then just click download. This is on CurseForge's website, which is another website where you can download a bunch of mods, including shaders. So right now, it just downloaded. It's only 139 kilobytes, and I downloaded the best version of the shader too. So as you can see, the shader pack is right here, the Vibrant Shader Extreme pack. Then after that, all you want to do is run Minecraft, and once you're on the launcher, you want to make sure that you are on Optifine. Now, once Minecraft has loaded up, all you want to do, you can now go into the shaders section right here. And once you're here, just go over to shaders folder, and it's going to open up this folder right here. Now, all you have to do now is literally just drag and drop your shader pack into this folder. It's going to be right here. And then when you open up Minecraft again, as you can see, it's right there. Then just select the shader pack you want, press done, and it's as simple as that.